Hi guys, welcome back to terryeo1's Corner. Join me today for a little Happy Mail unboxing, and this comes from my dear crafty friend Terry of Terry's Place here on YouTube. So if you're not familiar with her channel, I'll put her link down below. Make sure to check it out. She has some really wonderful crafting, paper crafting, journaling ideas, some hauls, and also Happy Mail unboxings. But let's have a look at the decoration on this beautiful envelope. She put this llama with her cute crown and some flowers. And I just wanted her return label so adorable too. If I'm not mistaken, it looks like a Disney princess sticker. I could be wrong, but it's really cute. So I'm gonna put it on the flip side. Now Terry is big on sending her crafty friends random rack mail. I have no idea what's in here, but I'm always happy and so excited to see what she's made. Oh my gosh, Terry, thank you so much. So let me just open this up. I don't want to, oh my, hold on. All right, let's pull it out. Oh, I have a note. Let me read that. Just read the note real quickly, Clarissa. Aww. Oh, thank you so much, Terry. So recently, Terry had made a glue gun review, and she's sending this as a little thank you, and just to show her appreciation. She is so sweet. So let me look at that panda. Let me start by opening. Where do we begin? There's so many goodies. Okay, I am going to start here. There's always a reason to smile, which is such a great saying. I love that. And we have milk and cookies are my favorite. I love this laminated bookmark. Love that, Terry. And she also shared some journal cards. Love it. Oh, I love this. It almost has that Art Deco 1920s feel with the gold foil and the diamond. We have another journal card. I don't have blue doilies, so this is awesome, Terry. And recently, she posted some embellishments that she made using some round doilies, and they're really pretty. So make sure to check that out. And she has a laminated saying or quote from Albert Einstein. Oh, how cool. I'm going to put this in my journal for sure. Then we have a little bow. Love her packaging. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow. Super cool. Let's see what it is. Oh, how cute. Look at this little coffee die cut. And I love these mini paper bags. I really love these. She also gave me some vellum, so this will be perfect for making some mixed media little pockets. And a miniature playing card. How cool. This is so tiny. I've never owned one, and I love miniature things. We have our butterfly. Another mini playing card. Definitely going in my collection. And how cute is this bear? That's adorable. I love the paper that she used for this die cut. That's so cute. And we got pizza. I know my girls are gonna love that. I'm gonna share that with them. An adorable, cute little, I don't know if he's a guinea pig or a hamster, but he is adorable. She also has some really fun stuff. I love the packaging she used. This panda is so adorable. It says sweet time. And let's see what kind of embellishments are in here. We have like wooden veneer. And I love these because these are challenging me to get on my crafting. I haven't really crafted much. I've been busy with other things. How cool. Okay, cool. And I love this button. Look at that flower. And then we have a little rose and our cute little baggie there. And another little envelope with some goodies in it. So let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. So if you guys haven't seen my video showing the swap items that Terry had sent me for a tea swap, oh my gosh, you guys have to see it. I'll put it right above here or at the end of the video because she had sent me some really wonderful embellishments that she handmade, and she's already gifted me more. And look at these mini envelopes. I love this. I don't have square ones. I have some rectangle ones, and I recently received some from Corn that had those cute little Maggie Home themed ones. Those were really cute. But look at these square envelopes. That is so cool. These are always fun. I'm gonna be sharing a journal that I'm working on really soon, and I think you guys are gonna love it. But anyway, I'm gonna be using these cute little envelopes for sure, including this one. Thank you so much, Terry. But I think there is one more. Do you see this wonderful summer-themed pineapple journal? It says, I found these on Amazon to use in my journals. Oh, it's in here. So we'll look at that in a sec. But we have a lined notebook, and I always like carrying small notebooks in my purse when I'm doing listings or making notes. Really comes handy, and this is perfect for the summer. Love that. Thank you, Terry. And let's see, I love the texture of this envelope that she made. That is really nice. Oh, she decoupaged a napkin. How cool is that? And I love this. This is so cute. It's two friends having tea time. That is adorable. Now let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Hold on, I gotta show you. How fun. These are really fun for collaging. I love it. We have like little cut-aparts of different images from books, newspapers. Look at this beautiful one with butterflies, florals, all kinds of different. Oh, I love this one. Look at that with a flower and a bird. That is so awesome. I'm going to make a mini masterboard using these, Terry. I think that would be a fun project. Oh, wow. Art collage. How fun is that? That is so cool. The torn letter. How intriguing. And then we have a little vellum sheet here. Different kinds. It looks like we have an angel. Some more of our florals. That is so pretty. And then we have some that have a calendar cut up and more of the birds and stamps. That is really cool. And here's another one that she shared with me. How wow, I have 3 of those. And this beautiful, I don't know if they're forget-me-nots, I could be wrong, but gorgeous flowers. Wow, thank you so much, Terry, for this surprise happy mail. I love it. I am going to be working on something soon in a journal that like I said, will be related to these mini envelopes, and definitely adding that to the mix. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. We have a cute little baggie here that I almost missed, and they are, oh wow, cute little die cuts of birds. Hold on. Look at that beautiful dove. And I love birds, so this is perfect. This is definitely going in my journal. We got butterflies. And what a great way to build your stash too. I am so bad about, I'm not very patient about doing die cuts. But look at this, she shared so much. We have a variety of them. Here's a hand, and these again are going to be fun for collaging. Beautiful butterflies there. And I just love also the birds, and I think these hands will be fun for little tuck spots. I think that is super fun. Look at this guy. And more of those fun little hands. Again, thank you so much, Terry, for sharing these wonderful crafty items. I cannot wait to craft with them very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Happy Mail unboxing from Terry. Make sure to show her some love and check out her channel. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.